In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho CRM. Let's start right from inside your Zoho CRM account. At the top of your screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Dashboards. In some layouts, this might also appear as Analytics, but it functions the same way. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your visual reports and summaries will live. Once you're inside the Dashboards or Analytics area, you'll see any existing dashboards that have already been created. To add a brand new one, look for the plus icon, usually shown as a simple plus near the top of the page. Click that plus icon to start creating your new dashboard. Now you'll be prompted to enter a dashboard name. Take a moment to make this name really descriptive. Instead of something generic like Sales, try Q1 Sales Pipeline Overview or Weekly Lead Conversion Snapshot. A clear, specific name will make it much easier for you and your team to quickly recognize the purpose of the dashboard later. Under the name, you'll see a field for a short description. This is your chance to explain what information the dashboard contains and how it should be used. For example, you might say that this dashboard tracks open deals by stage, or that it's meant for managers to review team performance at the end of each week. A good description helps new team members immediately understand the value of what they're looking at. Next, you'll define the access permissions. This step is important because it controls who can actually view the dashboard. You'll typically see options like Only Me, All Users, or Custom. Choose Only Me if this is just for your personal tracking. Choose All Users if this dashboard should be visible to everyone in your organization. If you select a custom option, you can usually specify particular roles, teams, or individuals who should have access. Think about the sensitivity of the data and who genuinely needs to see it before you decide. After you've set the name, description, and permissions, review everything for accuracy. When you're happy with the setup, click the Create or Save button, depending on what your interface shows. Zoho CRM will then generate your new, empty dashboard ready for you to start adding reports and widgets in future steps.